from this.
हय तुमी आतां डिस्कशन केलें तें
सीएमाचें स्टेटमेंट येयला
सीएमा स्टेटमेंट कितें येयला
म्हणजे स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन जातले जे जे एज्युकेटर्सांनी लॉ अँड
39
ऑर्डर
इयर्सचेरू
39 जे जे प्रोटेस्टर
प्रोटेस्टर आनी जे जे
लॉ अँड ऑर्डर हातीन घेतला तेंच्या सगळ्यांचेर रिफेर जातले स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन
इवन
एक्शन जातले म्हणून
कित लॉ अँड ऑर्डर केला
तेजे बंगल्यार
फुडल्यान
प्रोटेस्टर्स वचून खंय रावप म्हळ्यार लॉ अँड ऑर्डर
इवन तेणी सांगलां की जे टीसीपी डिपार्टमेंटांतल्यो थोड्यो फायली आहा त्यो मिसींग आहा म्हणून
थोड्यो जायत्यो रे थिंगा आहा ह्यो सगळे दुसऱ्या डिपार्टमेंटांनी मिसींग आहाय
बट व्हॉट इज द से
ना आतां तुमचो से कितें आसा ते जाले ते सगळे ते सायड
सीएम स्टेटमेंट्स
No, no, no. See, we are here very focused with the people's demand. The people's demand is that this section needs to be scrapped. Number two, small petty issues, statements and stuff like that, I'm not going to react. You will not get fuel for me or petrol from me. Or I've not got a mashal today to set something on fire. We are here, we are concerned about an elected representative who's on a hunger strike till death. His health parameters are deteriorating. There has been a doctor that has come. And I think the people of Goa are watching. And whatever the CM says, first of all, it is, I believe other political parties, आमचे दुसरे बाब वेन्झीन गव्हर्नराकडे अपॉइंटमेंट घेतलेलो आसा of asking about a special session before the 6th. So I think tomorrow at 10 o'clock we are we've got an appointment to meet the Honorable Governor. He has to summon the House. This has to be discussed. The bill has to be discussed. Whether the bill will come or no, the bill that is supposed to scrap these sections. Primarily our concern, we are here at Azad Maidan to protest in a non-violent manner. And this is what we are doing. Today, this government should not try to give us threats. We've had enough. And yet, म्हाका दिसता people are watching. And we are confident that whatever this government does, that the people will send them back in 27. केसल्यो घालच्यो केश्यो. ह्यो केश्यो फॉल्स पडे हाय. लोक चोयता. लोकांक खबर आसा what is the truth. We are here basically to support our colleague, Girish Borkar, and our other brother who is protesting here. It has been 6-7 days now. And definitely we are doing this in the interest of the people, in the interest of Goenka.
It was wrong on the part of people, the protesters to go near minister's bungalow with the Durgache,
See,
security concerns.
let me tell you very honestly. I came here at, I think so about 5 o'clock. I was on the left side. When I entered in, I was on the left side. The people felt a call was given. I am a politician. I have to follow the people. I was just following the people. What was right, what was wrong? The people today are fed up of this particular way Goa is being sold. And that is why you can see this particular people coming in large numbers. And I am confident that in the future, this movement will go at a higher level.
So what happens if action starts from this side? Because the way action will start मिळलेला हा पुढे.
अरे ॲक्शन स्टार्ट जायन दी रे कोणान कांकणां घालूंक ना हिंगा आमी कांकणां घालूंक ना हे ॲक्शन आमी हांवें जाल्यार भुरगेपणान हेचो ॲक्शन चोयले एजली जायत चोयले एजिटेशना आनी जाल्यार भुरगेपणान आमचे माय फादर और माय फॅमिली हॅव सीन लॉट्स ऑफ दीस बट दीस इज टू बी डन फॉर गोवा वी आर हियर एज पॉलिटिकल रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह फॉर गोवा वी कॅन डू एनीथिंग फॉर गोवा
ओके गरज पडल्यार तुमी हांगा स्ट्रायक करतले
गरज
पडल्यार
गरज पडली रे लोकां सांगली म्हाका कित्या मरे कित्या आज सिट्युएशन अशें आहा की today we have to plan strategically whatever call, whatever has been given, whatever call has been given, whatever call has been given. So let's not issue petty issue as I'm उलोवप ना. आमगेलो focus आहा की आमका ये particular movement will grow because this is a people's movement. It is what call has been given by the people. We will do in the interest of goal.
Okay, Doctor, when you talk about legality, when you talk about legality, when such statements have come from the government, how does it go as far as legality is concerned?
See, statements don't frighten us. This is a people's movement. We will see as and when any case is filed. We will see how it stands in court, because it is the people's voice that we are speaking. That is people's concerns we are taking. And when we fight people's issues democratically, one of the means of which doing democratically, I think nothing is wrong in that, and it cannot afford a justification for crime in any of the acts which has taken place over the last few days.
Okay, what is the latest update can you give us on Viresh health?
No, the doctor has checked. His health is very delicate, although his parameters are stable. But there are a lot of concerns. When you go on a protest like this, it could have damage to the organs. You could go into an organ failure. But Viresh is strong. He's got the DNA of his grandfather was a freedom fighter. Definitely, you can see he had the courage to come for the BAC as well and be very vocal. He was very vocal in the BAC that lasted for almost 1 hour as well. He spoke for most of the time. So definitely, I think the doctors are monitoring and they will give you an update on it.
Doctor, as you said, let the FIR get registered and let it see. But this government doesn't wait for the paper order to come, even to drag him from second floor. So the officer didn't wait even for the order to get in his hand, but orally he obeyed the order. So what do you want to say on that?
That I've already said, that whoever is the officer or the police who has taken action, we will also take action as necessary when Viresh says go ahead. But if anything is done contrary to law, you will see the High Court or the Supreme Court coming down on such kind of things. This high-handedness of the government needs to stop. Today you see what the Supreme Court itself has done. In the SIR of Calcutta, I'm talking why. This is ECI was doing this, what do you call, not mapped and all this, and what are those discrepancies, what they called? No, logical discrepancy they call. Like when your name spelling is wrong or something like that. For that, it is 50 lakhs which are not mapped. And the Supreme Court directed that judges will be appointed from Calcutta and necessary from the neighboring states. Shows that the Supreme Court is losing trust in the system of the central government. And I'm telling you, the time has come where the Supreme Court itself has been wrapping the ED and the CBI for their overreach, and the time will come when our High Court also will stand up for justice. We have faith in judiciary, and trust me, we will knock the doors of the court when appropriate. We don't run for the sake of running. We don't do something like morning you get up, you read a newspaper, evening we file, a Supreme Court itself use these words. But we will take a conscious and mature decision together with everybody, and we will do in the best interest of the people.
युरी सीएमान आयज आनी तसो स्टेटमेंट केलो की आमदारान तशें ऑफिसान वचून बसोंक जाय नाशिल्लें जे दीस ऑफिस बंद जाता जावन आसता आनी आयज खंय तांकां कंप्लेन आयल्या TCP ऑफिसांच्यान की आफ्टर हे एजिटेशन हे प्रोटेस्ट जावन फायली मिसींग जाल्या म्हणून
CM इतलो उगोत इंटेलिजंट फेलियर आहलो आज कळ्यो फायल मिसींग जाताय म्हणून हे सगळें आम चोयलां ह्यो पार्ट्यो आमकां खबर आहाय आनी पार्ट्यो आमकां प्रिपेर्ड आहाय सो तें कितें पडटो कितें सांगता म्हाका दिसता आनी हेजे मुखारूय आनी जायत जातलें सो द बेसीक इशू इट इज Viresh Borkar's right to go participate in the office, and he was outside the office. He was not inside the office. He was outside the office where he was sitting on, I think, not inside the thing. No one was being obstructed. He was sitting outside where the people have to sit, and the officer had to at least tell him that she is going out. had to give had to at least tell him, inform him. He raised that thing. No one informed him that she is going out or Kondna manon. He's an elected representative. Jay, but TCP, yahan, CTP. She had to inform him that she's getting out.
Vinesh health is deteriorating. So what is this then future course of action?
See, as I told you, this is a movement not initiated by Yuri Alema, or not political. Viresh initiated it. This is something that he's on a strike, and I believe that it is best that you all are asking. We are only following Viresh Borkar.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.